This is a special weather statement for the following counties in Indiana: Clark, Floyd, Harrison, Scott, and Washington, and the following counties in Kentucky: Jefferson and Oldham. Strong thunderstorms will impact portions of north-central Harrison, Clark, Floyd, southern Scott, southeastern Washington, western Oldham, and northwestern Jefferson counties through 11:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:18 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from 10 miles south of Scottsburg to 10 miles northwest of New Albany to 11 miles north of Corydon. Movement was southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include winds in excess of 40 miles per hour and pea-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Strong thunderstorms will be near New Albany around 11:35 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of these storms include Jeffersonville, Louisville, St. Matthews, Shively, Linden, Prospect, Graymer, Devondale, Windy Hills, Beechwood Village, Barbermead, and Northfield. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. The current time is 11:30.